Hey folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I want to show you how to hook up a Garmin 396 or any other type of Garmin to a 22 Honda CB500X. If that interests you, stay with me. And welcome back. Yeah, it's a real short video. It really don't take too long to figure this out. I'll turn the camera around in a second. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Like I said, it's pretty simple with basic soldering skills and a little bit of patience. You should be able to do it really easy. Here we go. All right, as I was poking around, I found a little white plug right here. It's an accessory plug. I'll show a picture of it in a second. And that's the plug that I used. It's switched power, which means there's no power to it till you turn the key, and that's what you want. You don't want the Garmin up all the time. I mean, you could have just hooked it directly to the battery, but then you run the chance of killing your battery. Since I didn't know what kind of plug that was to find the type of plug, I just happen to have a whole bunch of these automotive 3-pin plugs. You only need 2 wires, so you use the red and the black and you just ignore the blue one. So I had a bunch of those, so I just spliced in the plug right here. It's not a big deal. Can't see it there, but there's some shrink wrap and stuff on it, and that connects it to that. I ran the wires this way. Let me get on the other side of the box. You can see where I got the tie wrap, so I kind of ran the wire up that way. I took that side plate off. Garmin's have this little transducer box. It's right in there. I wrapped it with some foam so it's not rattling and destroying itself against the bike. Ran the wire on the side of the battery up through there, blah blah blah, and over to there. And then, like I said, I just kind of took it through there, came up through here. You could see where I got it tie wrapped again, and then up top here. So yeah, I mean, all in all, working at the speed of Ed, which is pretty slow. It took me probably an hour or so, and that's seriously taking my time. Anyway, got any questions, leave them in the comments. Like I said, it was a pretty straightforward job. I didn't tell you the colors of the wires back there because, different bikes may have different colors. What to do is just poke a voltmeter in the existing plug and note which wire is the hot wire. Always double, triple, quadruple yourself on the hot wire. You got to turn the key on, and then you'll find the hot wire. And the other one would be ground. And then make sure that you put the hot wire to red, the ground to black, and like I said, ignore the blue wire on this situation. Anyway, hope that helps you. Thank you very much. Give it a like and subscribe if you like. Thanks.